and welcome to a new vlog. Right now it's a Saturday afternoon and I'm headed for an event called Queer Fest, which is an LGBTQ plus friendly clothes swap at a comic center. So they're gonna have these, like, I think it's gonna be like comic book reads, and there's gonna be different books and free coffee, tea, and obviously lots of clothes that people are gonna bring, and the clothes that are not brought home with someone are gonna be donated. So I'm very excited. I brought 2 knitted sweaters and a pair of trousers, and hopefully I'll be leaving with something too. Not that I need it, but it's always fun if you find something nice.
Actually coming out in May, translated into English, and in English it's called Our Dreams and Plus.
So here are the organizers who made this event possible. Maybe you could tell me your names.
I'm Paju.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Hope.
Yes, and what was the idea behind the event?
We're gay.
Yeah, that sounds
Yeah.
And maybe just like create a safe space, like a nice evening.
Safe, like non-alcoholic space in the evening, because mostly things like this in Saturday evening are full of alcohol, so this was like no alcohol and just hanging out together.
Cool. Well, thank you very much. It was a super nice evening.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I just left the event and it was pretty cool. Yeah, I actually found way more stuff than I was prepared to, and I'm gonna be trying it on when I get back home and showing you what I found. I also met tons of really cool people. It wasn't as big of an event as I originally thought it would be, but it was more small and intimate, and that was definitely nice to actually be able to talk to people. You kind of had to, which is always nice when you go somewhere alone. that you're kind of forced to talk to others and make it a better experience.